In this video, we will learn how to find out the marginal rate of substitution for the given utility function. The question is, given the utility function, utility is a function of two goods x and y, which is equal to under root x plus y. We have to find out the marginal rate of substitution. Okay, by marginal rate of substitution, what we mean? Marginal rate of substitution is a measure of how many units of good one the consumer is willing to give up in exchange for another good. And marginal rate of substitution between good x and y is being given by the marginal utility of good x upon marginal utility of good y. Okay, marginal utility of good x is the change in the total utility due to the change in the consumption of good x, divided by marginal utility of good y means the change in the utility due to the change in the units of good y consumed. Okay, it is actually equal to minus, because this rate of substitution will be negative if I consume 1 unit of good 1, I have to give up some units of good 2. That is why the relation is negative. So we will get here minus time. What is du upon dx? That is a partial derivative of the utility function with respect to x. Okay, so can I write this utility function as x plus y whole raised power 1 upon 2. Now its derivative with respect to x will be, so first we apply the power function rule, so the exponent becomes coefficient, so we have 1 upon 2, then we have x plus y, and then exponent is subtracted by 1, that is minus 1 upon 2 times the derivative of x, which is in the brackets. So derivative of x is 1, so we are applying here chain rule also, divided by, similarly, du upon dy means the partial derivative of utility function, and the exponent, rather here exponent becomes coefficient and exponent is subtracted by 1, so we get here 1 upon 2 minus 1. I will explain. It will become minus 1 upon 2. Similarly, the derivative with respect to good y will be, exponent again becomes coefficient, then we have x plus y, and exponent is subtracted by 1, 1 upon 2 minus 1 times the derivative of y, which is 1. So we will get 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 gets cancelled. We have minus here. We get x plus y raised power minus 1 upon 2 divided by x plus y raised power minus 1 upon 2. So these gets cancelled and we get marginal rate of substitution is equal to minus 1, or in absolute terms our MRS between x and y will be equal to minus 1, which is equal to 1. So we have constant marginal rate of substitution here, which is equal to 1. I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.